Let us know about socialization. What does it mean? Society exists due to the social life of people. We all know human being is a social animal. At birth, human being is just a living thing or an animal, and then he transforms into a social being. When a small child starts to learn the social behavior from its childhood, the process of learning social behavior and the process of becoming social being is called socialization. The moment a child gets the power of thinking and talking, it will make contact with the people living in the society. You must have seen the children. Once they start to talk, they move outside the house and communicate with the other people. Socialization is a process in which all the members of the society live in accordance to their duties and responsibilities. The basic instincts of human beings come under the influence of socialization and are shaped in accordance to the social environment and situations. Functions of socialization. It converts human being into social being. It provides the scope of adopting, imitating, and learning of many skills. Socialization, it develops the social relationship and provide commitment and support to the social system. It helps the development of personality, and here it helps the continuity of tradition. There are certain agencies of socialization. There are two major aspects that influence the process of socialization. Age, experience, and the influence of the elders is the first one. The influence of the peer group, that means the same age students or the children. The first group includes here father, mother, elders, and teachers. And the second group includes friends and the same age people. Now, first we shall know about the family. The first agency is family. Family plays a very important role in the socialization process of a child. Father, mother are the direct blood relatives of the child, and it is said that mother is the first teacher of the child. The behavior, the custom, practices, activities, interaction of father and mother will really influence the emotional development of a child. Children are obedient to their parents because they are old enough in their age, experience, and authority. Next is the peer group. The other most important agency of socialization includes the peer groups. That means the same aged children, friends, classmates, and playmates. So, when the child is small and it first learns many things from its parents, and then it goes to the school and it finds the students or the children of the same age. Here, the child learns many aspects. This knowledge is most important from the perspective of normal social relationships and behaviors. Next comes the religion. It plays a role of the socialization process. Here, human beings' faith in a religion provides a base of ideal life. Religion advocates a moral life. The parents and the elders of the family inculcate religious activities in the children by visiting religious places and performing various rituals. This is done in all religions in different ways. Next is the school. The role of the school is very crucial in the socialization process. In schools, what do the child learn? The child is not only influenced by the teachers but also by its friends and classmates. The social behavior, knowledge, and experience of the child are molded by the education. Subconscious capacity of the children is also developed. School will extend his or her life and make them ready for social life. The role of the teacher in the socialization process of the child is very crucial. Various prospective aspects that find expressions in teachers like good behaviors, equality, and goodwill get reflected in the children as well. Apart from this, teachers need to motivate the children and they take part in various co-curricular and extracurricular activities. The next agency is mass media. Now, in this modern world, the social media also works as an important agency of socialization. The mass media, such as radio, television, movies, films, newspapers, magazines, utilize literature extensively. Human beings are deeply influenced by advertisements. You all are also influenced by advertisements, radio programs, stories, novels, television serials, etc. So, here they introduce various important places and others help the viewers to develop good personality. Similarly, programs of academic interest felicitate better social behavior among the people. And the next last agency is neighborhood. Neighborhood are the families which reside close to your family. This is a small community having the characteristics of a large community. Neighborhood is small in size. Here, the people are related to each other. People help each other in many ways. You must have also seen how your neighbors help you and you all also help them. So, the influence of neighborhood is found both in rural and urban communities also. The people of neighborhood live like the members of the same family by sharing their happiness and sorrows. Neighbor people help each other in festivals, fairs, marriages, religious rituals, and other programs. Neighborhood relationship is much stronger in rural communities than in urban communities. Thank you.